Hey everyone, today we will see the unboxing of LG Ergo UltraFine display. The model number for this monitor is 32UN880. 32 is the screen size and U denotes ultra wide. N is for the year 2020 and 880 is the model number, I believe. Usually it comes with B or W. B is for black and W is for white color. Inside the box you have the power adapter and the mount to mount the monitor, and few cables, USB-C type and also the HDMI cables and the power attachments. This is the ergonomic arm, which is quite solid and heavy as well to hold the 32-inch monitor. On the back of the monitor we have a different connectivity options. You have one USB-C type and two USB-A type, two HDMI and one display port, and 1 into 3.5mm audio output. Now I'm going to clean up my desk and replace my existing Dell monitor with an LG one. If a desk thickness is not 90mm, you can adjust the clamp, move it up a bit so that you can use it for any size of the desk. LG has done an incredible job in designing the system. You don't need a tool to fix a stand, your hand is good enough to fix it. Once you fix a stand, it is easy to fix the monitor on the stand. It's super and simple easy. Another beautiful and unique feature is the cable management system, and you can conceal all the cables inside the stand, and that gives you a decent look. Now my monitor is all set. I can tilt, swivel and rotate the monitor. It is quite flexible to use. Thanks for the ergonomic design. You can look into the LG website for more details on how you can tilt and swivel the monitor. The menu button is right at the bottom of the LG symbol, kind of a joystick you can use to navigate with different settings options. I didn't find that is really nice to use it, but anyway it is a small thing. Another dislike from my side is that you need to have your monitor switched on all the time to charge your laptop. Earlier in my Dell, I could switch off my monitor screen, it can still charge my laptop. Alright, we are almost at the end of the video. So in a summary, it's a 4K Ultra HD with a brilliant picture quality. The panel type is IPL with HDR10. It also contains an anti-glare coating, which is good for your eyes. All in all, I really like this monitor for the cost I paid. If you have any comments, please write it down. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.